quick video for today, guys. We went out for a shoot, like we went oro hunting back in Flinders, Victoria, and it was so dark. And when you try to shoot astro, it's dark, and you just want to look for things in the dark. But yeah, I just realized that I have two tripods at the moment, travel tripods. I have the Peak design, which I was not liking anymore because this one is much better. It's much reliable, I reckon. It's not focusing. Come on, what the heck, focus. Okay, so I got distracted for a bit, but yeah, I have this tripod here, which is the Peak design tripod, and I also have this one here, which is the ulanzi. Forgot the name. But anyway, yeah, I love the ulanzi because it's much lighter, it's much cheaper, and it's much more sturdy. And the mounting is so good. Like, you just have to slide their F38s into them if you have that mount. But the thing is, what I have discovered is with the Peak design, you just have to like snap in there, and the camera's already in the tripod. And if you're in the dark, that's very good. That's very handy. But with this camera, I mean with this tripod, not camera, with this tripod, I was carrying it, this tripod earlier. My English is trying to go shit. But anyway, yeah, I was carrying this tripod earlier, and in the dark, it's so hard to like fumble and try to slide the F38 in. So yeah, if ever you're doing astro, I reckon, yeah, this is not a good idea, especially if you're shooting in the dark. Because for me, like I know my tripods, and I know it's easier to put them in there, but like it's hard for me to fumble and look for the exact mount or the exact place where you need to slide it. Sometimes I slide it, like you can see the tip there, and you have to slide it from here, but sometimes you slide it here, and then like, yeah, it was very hard for me to shoot in the dark. Anyway, that's just a thought. But anyway, there are lots of things that this thing is better. But I just realized today in the real world that it's hard to use it in the dark unless you practice it for weeks or something. But anyway, yeah, I just did shoot in the dark earlier today, and it was tough getting this in there. Anyway, that's it. Bye. I just hit my microphone.